Baby Birds and Squirrels, Part 3. I'm Anita Wardlaw, and welcome to a fresh new day. Our yard is full of life. Mama Bird is watching her nest, and there are many new baby squirrels in our tree that's near the nest. There's a baby right now practicing climbing and foraging for food. So Mama and Papa are very careful because there's so many baby squirrels that are fending for food. And squirrels do find robin eggs to be a delicacy. It takes about 2 weeks for the robin eggs to develop enough so that the babies peck their way out. And it takes about 2 more weeks in the nest when Mama and Papa both take turns feeding the babies until they leave the nest. So it's a very critical time in our backyard, which is full of life. You can see, if you look very carefully, the baby squirrels climbing in the tree. Look very carefully. Look, there's one that's going back to this little, there's a nest it just jumped into, and that's just to the right of the screen. And farther up, there are 2 that are playing. There are about 6 of them. I like to call it a tree of life because it's so full of life. High, high up. Try to follow the one to the right. There's one sleeping up on a branch, one down here eating. One left, I think he's going to go to his sibling up there on the branch. There he goes. Yep. There's Mama Birdie guarding her babies, guarding them and keeping them nice and warm. She's a special patch in her belly where the feathers are sparse and her little belly shows so she can keep them nice and warm. Papa doesn't have that, but he helps as well. have two sibling squirrels, two babies playing up in the tree of life. I call it my tree of life. Our backyard is full of life.